Hello, boys and girls, it's Miss Ward. I want you to meet James. James is one of our community helpers. He's a construction worker. He builds factories, houses, tall buildings, banks, and schools. Take a look at what James is wearing. That's the key, said James. Safety comes first. Look at his hat, his tool belt, his overalls, and his special shoes. He is ready for work, but first he has to put on some more gear to be safe. That's right, we must always keep in mind, safety comes first. And when it does, everything will be super duper. We miss you guys. Bye.